everyone, it's Lyndsay and Thurman. Thurman. Don't leave a sister hanging. Thurman, say hi. Thurman, say hi. Thurman, say hi. Come on, Thurman, say hi. Thurman says hi. I filmed a Valentine's Day look for you guys, but when I tried to hit the record button, I accidentally hit the stop record button because I had unintentionally already hit the record button. Wait, what happened? You're... So, anywho, it didn't record. I did do a tutorial for Thurman, and he really enjoyed it, as you can see. He's super happy. I will just take this time to say Happy Valentine's Day to everyone, and I hope that you all have a great day and spend time with the people that make your heart feel good. Happy Valentine's Day! Ooh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, wait. Continue. Firephone is currently in. What to do? Video is success. Okay, hold on. Video is successfully being recorded, but audio has not been. Control setting. What's a control setting? And select. Hey, honey. Okay. No. I can't do it. Ooh. Fix my hair. Oh. How do I know if you can hear it, though? What do I do? It's 1, 2. Okay. Well, now I can't start. Oh, what do I do? Hey, everyone. I can't do it with the clap. Blah, 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 blah. Hey everyone, happy Valentine's Day. Oh no, what happened? Oh my gosh, how's this? Okay, continue. But today I thought I'd do something really fun and lovey and hearty and stuff like that. None of those are words, but that's good. That's okay, because we're like Webster today. Okay, we'll just crop that part out. Hopefully, everything goes well and we don't look like a disco ball. Or maybe we want to look like a disco ball, I don't know. Because, you know, disco's good, balls are good. Okay, so then we're gonna, okay, dang it, why did I say that? Okay, so we're gonna, I've already said like 30 million times, that can't happen. Okay, so what do you do? Like, what do you do? Dang it. So we're gonna start with the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. She's got a really pretty color in here. Oh my gosh, why? Why not just name things like pink? Harajuku? Harajuku. I have to close. See how pink it is.